Hey guys, it's your girl Shadow, and today I'm going to show you how I make homemade acupuncture rings. I have a lot of these, so bear with us. Let me get my scissors. Hold on. Okay. So first, you get a balloon, whatever kind you want, and then you hold it like this and stretch it a little, and then cut off the top. It would be easier to cut if you fight it like this. Okay. After that, just put your finger through it and roll it just like an acupuncture ring. I have two of these. And just roll it around like an acupuncture ring. It feels just like an acupuncture ring. It's just rubber. And it doesn't hurt like those rings. And yeah, here, let me see what I can do with this balloon I wasted. You see what kind of thing I did there? I'm gonna get wasted in my fourth cup of new corny, what the F are you on? From California. Sorry guys, I'm weird. Okay, so yeah, hope you guys like that short video. Bye guys, I love you.